Okay guys, this is a 2024 Honda Odyssey EXL. Send you from Real Deal Auto. Rebuilt title, damaged right here, suspension pushed back, driver's airbag and a curtain airbag blew. Front wheel drive, pearl white color. $24,225 on the miles. Does have your adaptive cruise, lane assist, blind spot monitors, power doors, memory seats, power windows, locks, and mirrors. There's your driver assist. Heated seats. Co-drive. All your different options here. Apple CarPlay, you can see. Backup camera, a couple of different views. This does have a sunroof. Remote start there. Some more power options here. Does have a brake hold, so when you're at stoplights you can push that and it will stay brakes until you push the gas. You don't have to hold the brake. It is a 7-passenger. Can purchase the 8th seat. This one didn't come with one. You can see it's got the shades for the kids. This is your temp control for the back. Power lift gate. These seats will come down and sink all the way in there, so you got a flat area for storage. And these front seats I think will come all the way out if you needed to. See both those shades there. I don't believe the back windows have the shades, no. But they're a little more tinted, so. Tires, exhaust, you don't see much rust. '24 Honda Odyssey, 25K, rebuilt title, damage right through this area, suspension, couple airbags, all fixed up, ready to go, past safety inspection and emissions. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.